Hello everyone, have you subscribed to our channel Study English with Momita and Shomi? Have you pressed the bell icon? Well, if not, definitely you're going to miss out a lot of important stuff. So do subscribe and press the bell icon. In today's video, I'm going to discuss 25 most important multiple choice questions from the Tempest Act 4 Scene 1. In video 1, we had discussed 25 questions already. So these are some more very important MCQs specially for you. Let's start from question 26, and as usual, after solving some questions, we are going to do the corrections together. Come on, let's start. Question 26. Who is the goddess of love? Ceres, Venus, Iris, Juno. Who is the goddess of love? You need to know about the goddesses mentioned in the courtly masque of Act 4, Scene 1, The Tempest. Question 27. Where did Ariel leave the varlets who were red hot with drinking and after he had charmed their ears? Where were they? At Paphos? Into Prospero's cell? Dirt-covered pool past Prospero's cell? Or on a green land? Where did Ariel leave the varlets? Who are the varlets who were red hot with drinking? You must know this in order to answer the question properly. And how will you be able to do this? Only by reading the text very thoroughly. This time it's going to be multiple choice questions plus descriptive or subjective questions. So be very careful and prepare well. Question 28. What shall shun Miranda and Ferdinand according to Ceres? Abundance, early joys, bonds and garners, scarcity and want. What shall shun Miranda and Ferdinand according to Ceres? Question 29 now. What were Caliban, Trinculo and Stefano doing after Ariel cast a magic spell on them by beating his tabor? What is tabor? Tabor is a musical instrument, a little drum. Bet the air when it blew in their faces? Bet the ground for daring to kiss their feet? Wallowing up to their chins in the water? Or pricked their ears, lifted their eyelids and swifted? What did they do? You need to be very specific about these answers. Question 30. This was well done, my bird. Who is the bird here? Ferdinand, Ariel, Miranda or Iris? My bird. Who is the bird? Question 31. Yet always bending towards their project. What is the project? Conspiracy to kill Alonso. Conspiracy hatched against Prospero by Caliban and his confederates. Take revenge on Antonio, Alonso and Sebastian. Showering blessings on Miranda and Ferdinand. What is the project mentioned here? Identify the speaker. You will get the answer. Yet always bending towards their project. Question 32. Who is referred to as the blind mole by Caliban? Blind mole. Cupid, Ariel, Trinculo or Prospero. Then if Stefano does that good mischief, the island will belong to Stefano forever. Stefano will be the master of all the spirits on the island. Stefano will be the master of Caliban, and first and third options. What is the right answer? Question 34. What will happen to Caliban and his confederates if Prospero awakes? They will not go unrewarded. they will be turned out of Prospero's country. Prospero will make them writhe in pain from head to toe. They will be cursed without cause. What will happen to Caliban and his confederates if Prospero awakes? Next, what is the meaning of line and level? Question 35. Meaning of line and level: in a balanced manner, properly, according to rules, unbroken, surrounded, completed. These are the 4 options. Now choose the correct answer. Question 36. What is pass of pate? Stroke of wit, get working with, rescue, or leopard? What is pass of pate? Question 37 now. Who are mountain silver fury tyrant? Spirits in shape of dogs, spirits in the form of goddesses, Ariel's minor workers, magic spell. Who are mountain silver fury tyrant? Question 38. What is cat o' mountain? Another name for hunter dogs, another name for leopard, another name for cheetah, or another name for mountain dogs. What is cat o' mountain? Next, 39. What will Prospero's spirits not do to Caliban, Trinculo, and Stefano? Not do. Afflict their joints with racking spasms, give them the air to roam about freely, make their muscles contract with cramps, or pinch them hard. What will they not do? Next, question 40. What will happen to Ariel once Prospero's labors end? What will happen to Ariel? We all know. Let's read the options first. He will be set free. He will be forgiven. He will be appreciated by Prospero. He will get monetary reward from Prospero. Come on, you all know the answer. Question 41. Ferdinand had to endure vexations. Why? As his constancy of love was put to test, as he was imprisoned on the island, as he married Miranda, or as he was one of the enemies of Prospero. In the exam, if you get the context, things will become easier for you, but during this preparation time, do read the text thoroughly so that you can identify the context and find out the answer. Ferdinand had to endure vexations. If you know the context of vexations, you will definitely know the answer. Question 42. So rare a wandered father. What is the meaning of wandered? Endowed with rare virtues, able to control spirits, able to create wonders, endowed with immense physical prowess. Next, 42 now. Sorry, it's 43. What is all lost, quite lost, according to Prospero? His peace of mind, sudden termination of the mask, trouble taken with kindly motives, his dukedom. What is all lost, quite lost, according to Prospero? Question 44. On whose nature nurture can never stick. What is the meaning of nurture? Yes, the meaning of nurture is perhaps education and training, or perhaps freedom, or love and kindness, or magic. What is the exact meaning of nurture? Learn the annotations as well. 45. Why did Ariel put a spell on the ears of Caliban, Trinculo, and Stefano? So that they could not kill Prospero, so that they fought with each other, so that they lost their senses, or so that they followed Ariel just as a calf follows the call of its cow? I hope you're writing down the question number and the answer. We will do the corrections very soon, so be prepared. 46. Who speaks these words? The dropsy drowned this fool. Trinculo, Stefano, Caliban, or Ariel? Who is the speaker of these words? The dropsy drowned this fool. Next, 47. At this hour lies at my mercy all my enemies. What feeling is revealed here in these words of Prospero? Feeling, sense of relief and satisfaction, pride, boastfulness, or apprehensive. What is the exact feeling? Question 48. Let it alone, thou fool. It is but trash. What is but trash? Store of fine clothes, barrel of wine, books, or dirty trick. Trash. 49 now. What is the meaning of corollary? Mob, a supernumerary, a single piece, or vast? What is the meaning of corollary? Bring a corollary. These are the words from the text. I hope you know the meaning. 50, the last one. Of her society be not afraid. Whose society is being referred to here? Juno's society, Mars' society, Diana's society, or Venus's society? Question 51. What is the condition of Caliban, Stefano, and Trinculo as they appear in Act 4, Scene 1? Drenched, senseless, frenzied, or beaten and bruised? What is their condition? Very quickly, the answers now. Do the corrections and score. 26. Who is the goddess of love? The right answer is Venus. Venus is the goddess of love. Ceres is the goddess of the earth and patroness of agriculture. Iris is the messenger of gods and the goddess of rainbow. And Juno is the goddess of everything. Goddess of the state, queen of the sky. She is the wife of Jupiter. Many of you are still confused about them. So learn the names of the goddesses and learn who are they. Question 27. Where did Ariel leave the varlets who were red hot with drinking and after he had charmed their ears? Who are the varlets? Trinculo, Stefano, and Caliban. And where did Ariel leave them? Yes, the right answer is dirt-covered pool past Prospero's cell. Next one. What shall shun Miranda and Ferdinand according to Ceres, scarcity and want? What were Caliban, Trinculo, and Stefano doing after Ariel cast a magic spell on them by beating his tabor? The right answer is they pricked their ears, lifted their eyelids, and swifted. This is the right answer. The next one. This was well done, my bird. Who is the bird? Very easy. Ariel is the bird. 31. Yet always bending towards their project. What is the project? Conspiracy hatched against Prospero by Caliban and his confederates. Next, who is referred to as the blind mole by Caliban? Prospero is referred to as the blind mole. What will happen if Stefano does that good mischief? First and third options. The island will belong to Stefano forever and Stefano will be the master of Caliban. Caliban will be the foot licker of Stefano. Next, what will happen to Caliban and his confederates if Prospero awakes? Prospero will make them writhe in pain from head to toe. What is the meaning of line and level? Properly according to rules. What is pass of pate? The annotation stroke of wit. Next, who are Mountain Silver Fury Tyrant? Well, they are spirits in shape of dogs. Next, what is cat of mountain? Another name for leopard. What will Prospero's spirits not do to Caliban, Trinculo and Stefano? They will not give them the air to roam about freely. What will happen to Ariel once Prospero's labors end? He will be set free. Ferdinand had to endure vexations. Why? As his constancy of love was put to test. Next, 42. So rare a wandered father. What is the meaning of wandered? Here it is, the third option, able to create wonders. What is all lost, quite lost according to Prospero? What is all lost, quite lost? Let us see. Yes, trouble taken with kindly motives. He was unable to change Caliban. All his motives, all his troubles with kindly motives were all lost, quite lost. On whose nature nurture can never stick. What is the meaning of nurture? It is education and training. A popular topic of Renaissance debate was the extent to which nurture, that is education and training, could transform nature in any essential way. 45. Why did Ariel put a spell on the ears of Caliban, Trinculo and Stefano? So that they followed Ariel just as a calf follows the call of its cow. 46. Who speaks these words? The dropsy drowned this fool. Caliban speaks these words. 47. At this hour lies at my mercy all my enemies. What feeling is revealed here in these words of Prospero? There is a sense of relief and satisfaction. Next, 48. Let it alone, thou fool, it is but trash. What is but trash? It is not a barrel of wine, not books, not dirty trick, but the right answer is store of fine clothes, garments, wardrobe. Next, what is the meaning of corollary? A supernumerary, one too many. Next, of her society be not afraid. Whose society is being referred to here? Venus's society is being referred to here. What is the condition of Caliban, Stefano and Trinculo as they appear in Act 4, Scene 1? The right answer is they are all wet, they are drenched. Thank you for watching this video and stay connected for more reference materials and last minute revision materials.